In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a graphing calculator to check for the value of the integral from problem 9 of week 5 discussions. So we already know how to find the integral by hand by using the power rules, and then plug in the two endpoints and then do the subtractions. So let's try to use the TI-83 in this case to check for the answer of this integral to see if the minus 11 over 4 is really the correct answer. Okay, so first is you are going to click on the math here, and then the integrals. This is the definite integral, so we are using the option 9. This is a finite integral, so you can scroll down to number 9 and then press enter to get to this command, or you can just press math, and then we know that we are using option number 9, so press 9 right away. Okay, so this here represent for the integral. So the next step is we enter this expression. The first thing is the cube root of x. Cube root is x to the 1 over 3 power, right? The same thing. So x, the cube root of x is equal to x to the power of 1 over 3. So we are using the variable x here, x, right, to the power of 1 over 3. So that is the cube root, and then subtract 2. So after we enter the integral, the expression, then we know that we are dealing with the variable dx here. So you have to put a comma and then put the x variable, because you are running on the x-axis from 1 to 8. So you want to let the TI-83 know that the number 1 to 8 is for the x, which is dx. Okay, so comma x, comma again, and then now you enter 1 to 8. So we put the lower limit first, comma 8, and then at the end make sure you close the bracket. Okay, and then hit the enter key. So minus 2.75, so minus 11 over 4. Let's check that. Of course it's correct, right? So the question there is good. Okay, we can try another example for part B. Again, I'm using math option 9. Next step is I enter this expression x here minus 1 over x. This is the fraction, so it's better to put it inside the parentheses. 1 over x. So we are done for the expression, comma. That tells that we are done with the expression. And then we are dealing again on the dx, so make sure you put the x, comma, because you are running on the x-axis from minus 5 to minus 8. So the lower limit is minus 5, comma, the upper limit is minus 8, minus the number 8. So have to use the second to reach to the simple a. Okay, and at the end make sure you close it, like open and then close. Hit the enter key. Minus 8.196, which is right here. Okay, so that is how you are using the TI-83 Plus. But if you have the TI-84, it's much simple. It's much better for the TI-84 versions. Okay, let's see how do I use the TI-84. Again, hit the math button, option 9. You can see that for TI-84 plus, you don't have to type the syntax as you did for TI-83. It's already giving you the intro. So all you do now is you plug in directly all the expression here, right? So we are going from 1 to 8. So 1, and then to move up to the upper limit, hit the upper arrow, go to 8, and then you can type directly. The cube root is x to the 1/3, so x to the power of 1/3, and then minus 2. Again, this is dx, right? So you hit the x here. So simple, right? Easy. And now hit the enter. You can see that you don't have to remember the correct syntax, how to enter the correct expressions, where to put the comma and stuff. If you are using the TI-84, it saves you a lot of times. Okay, we can also check for part B. Again, math 9. We'll go from -5 up to -e, minus, this is the number e, so second e, and then x minus 1/x. Let me put 1/x inside the parentheses. Right. And then dx, so we are missing the x right here. This button here stands for any variable x, t, and theta, but in general it's just a variable, okay? And we normally use the x. Okay, and then hit the enter key, and that is correct. So which one is better? Of course, the TI-84 Plus is better, because this is a newer version, so they improve all the functions comparing to the old model. So that's how you can use the TI-84, 83 to check your work after you make the iteration by hands. Okay, thanks for watching.